Good morning, Thomas. I am doing well. Thank you.
Great. I'm glad to hear that. And if you want more advanced phrases and expressions, feel free to ask me anytime. That's great to hear. So, I heard that you are struggling with your English speaking skills. Is that right?
Yes, unfortunately, I feel nervous every time I have to speak in English.
Don't worry, Sarah. You are not alone. Many students, especially those who are learning English as a second language, face the same challenge. However, I believe that with some practice and guidance, you can overcome your fear and improve your speaking skills.
That's very encouraging to hear, Thomas. Can you please share some tips with me on how to improve my speaking skills?
Sure, Sarah. The first thing you need to do is to practice speaking English as much as possible. The more you practice, the more comfortable you will feel speaking the language.
Okay, that makes sense. But what if I make mistakes while speaking? Won't that make me look foolish?
Making mistakes is a natural part of the learning process. Everyone makes mistakes, even native English speakers. The important thing is to learn from your mistakes and keep practicing.
I see. But how can I practice speaking English if I don't have anyone to practice with?
There are many ways to practice speaking English even if you don't have anyone to practice with. For example, you can record yourself speaking and listen to it later to identify areas where you need improvement. You can also practice speaking with an online tutor or join a language exchange program where you can practice with other language learners.
Those are great suggestions, Thomas. But what if I don't understand a word someone is saying to me in English? Won't that make me feel embarrassed?
It's okay to not understand everything someone is saying to you in English. If you don't understand a word, you can ask the person to repeat themselves or to explain the word to you. It's better to ask for clarification than to pretend you understand and risk not learning anything.
That's a good point, Thomas. Thank you for your advice. Do you have any other tips for me?
Yes, I do. Another way to improve your speaking skills is to listen to English as much as possible. This will help you become familiar with the language and improve your pronunciation and intonation. You can listen to English music, watch English movies or TV shows, or listen to podcasts in English.
Those are great suggestions, Thomas. I will try them out. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome, Sarah. Remember, the key to improving your English speaking skills is to practice consistently and not be afraid to make mistakes. I believe in you and know that you can do it.